Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Exness, one of the world's leading online trading brokers known for its low spreads, fast execution speeds, and flexible account types. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Founded in 2008, Exness has grown into one of the most recognized names in the online trading industry, serving millions of traders worldwide. Over the years, the broker has built a strong reputation for its client-focused approach, competitive trading conditions, and powerful trading infrastructure designed for both beginners and experienced traders. What really stands out with Exness is its focus on speed, flexibility, and transparency. The broker is known for fast order execution, low trading costs, instant withdrawals, and flexible account options that cater to different trading styles. Whether someone is just starting their trading journey or already trading at a professional level, Exness offers an experience designed to be smooth, efficient, and easy to access. Today, Exness continues to be one of the largest brokers globally, handling massive monthly trading volumes and attracting traders who want reliability, performance, and advanced trading conditions. The broker has built a solid reputation as a globally recognized and regulated broker. The company operates under multiple financial authorities across different regions, as well as several other international regulators. This multi-jurisdictional oversight helps ensure that Exness follows strict financial standards, compliance procedures, and client protection policies. Exness also places a major focus on account security and client fund protection. The broker uses advanced encryption technology, secure authentication measures, and strict verification procedures designed to protect client accounts and financial transactions. In addition, the broker follows anti-money laundering and compliance protocols to help maintain a secure trading environment for traders worldwide. Exness provides access to a broad range of global trading instruments through a single account. Traders can access Forex pairs, including major, minor, and exotic currencies, along with popular cryptocurrencies for digital asset exposure. The broker also offers commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and other energy products, as well as global stock CFDs and major market indices from around the world. This wide selection allows traders to diversify their strategies and take advantage of opportunities across multiple financial markets, all from a single platform. When it comes to bonuses and promotions, Exness takes a different approach compared to many other brokers. Instead of offering traditional welcome bonuses, deposit bonuses, or trading incentives, Exness focuses on providing consistently competitive trading conditions and low-cost trading environments. That said, the broker does offer loyalty-based rewards through programs like the Exness Rewards program, where eligible traders can unlock benefits such as improved trading conditions, priority support, and exclusive perks based on trading activity. However, these are performance-based rather than upfront bonus offers. They also offer a powerful affiliate and partnership program designed for individuals, marketers, and businesses looking to earn by referring new clients. Through the Exness affiliate programs, partners can earn commissions based on a CPA model, receiving payouts for every qualified trader they bring to the platform. Depending on performance and region, affiliates have a variety of earning opportunities through the Introducing Broker program, which offers ongoing revenue share based on trading activity. Partners also benefit from fast payouts, real-time tracking, and a wide range of marketing tools to help drive referrals more efficiently. Their partnership ecosystem is built to reward performance, scalability, and long-term client acquisition, making it one of the more competitive programs in the industry. Exness offers a range of trading platforms designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. The broker offers support for two of the most widely used trading platforms in the world, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 is known for its simplicity, stability, and strong support for automated trading through expert advisors, making it a popular choice among Forex-focused traders. MetaTrader 5 builds on this foundation with a more advanced feature set, including additional timeframes, deeper market analysis tools, and expanded order types. making it better suited for traders looking for more flexibility and multi-asset capabilities. Both platforms are available across desktop, web, and mobile, allowing traders to access the markets with fast execution and reliable performance wherever they are. Together, MetaTrader 4 and 5 gives Exness clients a powerful choice between simplicity and advanced trading functionality. The Exness Terminal is a web-based trading platform designed to give traders a fast, seamless, and highly accessible trading experience directly from their browsers. Built for simplicity and performance, it allows users to manage their accounts, monitor the market, and execute trades instantly without the need for any software downloads or installations. The platform features real-time pricing, advanced charting tools powered by TradingView, one-click trading, and full portfolio management in a clean, intuitive interface. Traders can easily track open positions, adjust orders, and analyze the markets all in one place. The Exness Terminal is built for speed, convenience, and flexibility, making it a strong option for traders who want a streamlined, all-in-one web trading experience. The broker also offers its own all-in-one mobile trading platform, designed to give traders full control of their accounts directly from their smartphones. Built for speed and convenience, the Exness Trade app allows users to open, close, and manage trades instantly while staying connected to the markets on the go. It features advanced charting tools, real-time price alerts, trading calculators, and detailed account overviews to help traders stay on top of their positions. Users can also manage deposits and withdrawals, track performance, and access live support directly within the app. Exness offers two main entry-level account types under its standard category: the standard account and the standard cent account. Their standard account is designed for most traders, offering commission-free trading with competitive spreads starting from around 0.2 pips. It supports a wide range of instruments, flexible position sizing, and market execution, making it a solid all-round choice for beginners and experienced traders alike. The standard cent account is built for new traders who want to gain real market experience with lower risk. Instead of trading in full units, it uses cent-based volumes, allowing smaller trade sizes and reduced exposure while still operating under real market conditions. Overall, both account types are designed to keep trading simple, accessible, and flexible, making them a popular starting point. Additionally, Exness also offers 3 professional trading account types designed for experienced traders who want tighter pricing and more control over their trading costs. These accounts include the Pro, Zero, and Raw spread accounts. The Pro account features low spreads starting from around 0.1 pips with no commission, making it ideal for traders who want simple, all-in-one pricing and fast execution. The Zero account is built for those who want near-zero spreads on major instruments for most of the trading day, combined with a small commission per trade. While the Raw account provides direct market-style pricing with spreads starting from 0.0 pips, along with a fixed commission per lot for maximum cost transparency and precision. Together, these accounts are designed for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders who prioritize tight spreads, fast execution, and low trading costs. Additionally, Exness offers a demo account, which is a risk-free trading environment designed to help traders practice and build confidence without risking real money. It uses virtual funds while replicating real market conditions, allowing users to experience live price movements, execution speeds, and trading behaviors just like a live trading account. Traders can use the demo account to test strategies, learn how the platform works, and improve their decision-making skills in a safe environment. It's available across multiple account types and can be accessed on desktop, web, and mobile devices for full flexibility. Overall, Exness's demo account is the ideal starting point for beginners and a useful testing ground for experienced traders refining their strategies. Creating an account with Exness is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Register button. Next, what you'll want to do is fill out your personal information, such as your country of residence, your email address, and create a password in order to open your Exness account. After which, you will be redirected to the Exness client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view your performance metrics, analytics, contact support, and much more. The next step would be to choose and open your preferred trading account type, either a live or demo account. Keep in mind that in order to open a live account, you will need to complete your account application form in order to proceed, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have opened your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform or simply log in to the Exness web terminal. In our case, we decided to go with the Exness terminal. After you have chosen, downloaded and installed your preferred trading platform, simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Exness terminal. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. You can create favorites lists, add them to your watch list, and more. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. Exness provides a wide variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. And at the top right of the dashboard, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. Additionally, the platform also includes an economic calendar to help you keep up to date with analytics. The broker offers a wide range of fast and convenient deposit and withdrawal methods designed to give traders quick access to their funds. Clients can fund their accounts and withdraw profits using local bank transfers, major credit and debit cards, e-wallets like Scroll and Neteller, as well as popular cryptocurrency options in supported regions. One of Exness's standout features is its focus on speed and automation, with many transactions processed instantly or within minutes, depending on the payment method. The broker also does not charge internal deposit or withdrawal fees, helping traders keep more of their capital. Exness provides a flexible, secure, and highly efficient payment system that allows traders to move funds in and out of their accounts with ease. Additionally, Exness also provides a range of educational resources designed to help traders improve their knowledge and build confidence in the markets. These materials cover key topics such as market fundamentals, technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology, making them useful for both beginners and more experienced traders. Learning content is delivered through a variety of formats, including articles, video tutorials, webinars, and step-by-step guides, allowing users to learn at their own pace. Exness also integrates educational tools directly into its platform, helping traders understand how to use features and manage risk more effectively in real time. Their educational hub is designed to support continuous learning and help traders develop stronger, more informed trading strategies. The Exness blog is an official content hub designed to keep traders informed, educated, and up to date with the latest insights from the broker. It features a mix of market analysis, trading tips, platform guides, product updates, and company news, all aimed at helping traders better understand both the markets and the Exness ecosystem. The blog is structured into key sections such as product insights, trading conditions, community stories, and brand updates, giving readers a clear view of how Exness operates and evolves over time. It also highlights educational content and practical resources that support traders at every level. Over the years of operation, Exness has earned multiple international awards that highlight its strong reputation in the online trading industry. The broker has been recognized across global financial events for categories such as the Best Broker, the Most Trusted Broker, and Best Trading Conditions, reflecting its focus on performance, transparency, and client experience. These awards come from various industry expos and fintech summits around the world, reinforcing Exness's position as one of the leading global brokers. From Europe to the Middle East, Africa, and Latin America, Exness continues to be acknowledged for its innovation, scale, and commitment to delivering a high-quality trading environment. Overall, Exness positions itself as a well-established global broker that has built its reputation on speed, transparency, and trader-focused conditions. Since launching in 2008, it has grown into one of the most recognized names in the industry, serving millions of traders worldwide, with a strong focus on execution, quality, and user experience. What really stands out is how Exness has structured its entire ecosystem around flexibility and performance. From tight pricing conditions and fast withdrawals to a wide range of account types designed for different trading styles. The broker aims to cater to both beginners and more advanced traders looking for efficiency and control in their trading. Combined with a strong global presence and oversight from multiple financial regulators across different regions, Exness continues to position itself as a major player in the online trading space. As always, the key is to understand your own trading goals and risk tolerance before choosing any broker. If Exness aligns with your trading strategy, it offers a feature-rich environment that could be worth exploring further. And that is our overview of Exness. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.